Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to Practice Sessions with me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create so many different shapes with single brush and single pattern. I'm using tip of my brush to create one line and then press my brush and release. Again, make a line, press your brush and release. Line, press your brush and release. Make a line, press your brush and release. You can do this exercise in curves. Make line, release. Press your brush, release. Same in opposite direction. Press your brush, release. Press your brush, release. Same way, you have to press your brush and release. Press your brush and release. Press your brush and release. And if you create one stem under this, it will look like a tree. Now I'll show you how we can create leaf with the same technique. So, press your brush, make a curve and release. Now, I'll show you how we can create a rose with the same method. I'll start with the C shape, like this. So with the same technique, we created rose, leaves and some trees. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you like it, please thumbs up. and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.